What's up, 2SDN Mob? It's Vlogmas Day 22. I know my voice sounds kind of deep. I just woke up. It's 9:50 in the morning. I'm about to cook breakfast.
Okay.
Let me go and see what John want to have with his breakfast. Today, I know y'all tired of seeing me with this bush. I'm going to get my hair did today. What you want for breakfast? I'm cooking chicken, apple sausage, turkey bacon, egg whites. What you want to have with yours? You know I'm eating oatmeal with mine.
I want oatmeal.
It's hash browns.
I want oatmeal, hash browns, chicken, apple sausage, and bacon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning. Hey, you
what?
cook how you cook it before with the sugar and butter thing?
Yeah, I'll fix it like that for you. Yeah, y'all. I'm going to get my hair did today because I'm tired of looking like this myself. So, let me get this breakfast started. Let me set y'all up. Okay, y'all, breakfast is served. I'll be back a little later with some more footage for y'all, probably when I get ready to get out the house and go get my hand stuff done. But right now, we finna sit down and eat. Okay, 2SDN Mob. It's 8:41 at night. I know the last time y'all seen me, it was morning. I was cooking breakfast. I'm just now on my way to get my hair done. So I'll see y'all when I get to the salon. Okay, you guys. I finally made it to the salon with my flaw stylist. Look at her, y'all. She full of shit.
Alright, sis. My client just got here. I'm gonna start her.
Y'all see, this is what I'm finna get. This is my unit she did for me.
Lord,
So I'm finna get this installed.
she goes with all this YouTube shit. All this damn YouTube shit. Let's put this damn wig on.
Okay, so I'll see y'all when she finished. putting on my hair.
We'll see y'all later. All right, y'all.
Okay, you guys, so she braiding me down so she could put my frontal on. Say hi to the camera, Miss Tasha.
Hi, everyone.
Y'all gotta check her out. She gonna start her page soon.
Yes.
Her channel.
I
Sorry.
sure will.
How they can follow you on Instagram?
You guys can follow me at Raw Hair Studio on Instagram, and on Facebook you can follow me at Raw Hair Studio.
Yeah, y'all go check her page out. Okay, YouTube family, y'all see she done put the wig on. And she plucking the edges and stuff now, so next time y'all see me, it'll be all done. Okay, y'all, she done cut the lace. Y'all can see. And just so y'all know, this is my first time getting a lace because I was always scared it was going to tear my edges out. But she put it on good. She did a good job. And it's like in front of my hairline, so I shouldn't have no problem with this. So now she finna style me. And then I guess I'll let y'all see the finished product when she done. Okay, 2SDN mob. Okay, we gonna shut the vlog out. I done made it home. This the finished product. I don't know. I think I like this. Tomorrow y'all see me. I'm gonna be done did my lashes and everything. So that's the end of this video. Look at Two Scoop in here sleep. You need to get up and edit this video. Okay, so I'll see y'all in Vlogmas Day 23.